I'm Linda Kramer from Fort Ogden, Florida. I've come here to get my dental work done. This will be my first time, the first reveal, to see my new teeth. They're gorgeous. Oh, it's so good. Thank you.
Thank you, Linda. Thank you for your trust.
I'm very satisfied. She's done an excellent job. The office is located right on the main street, approximately 5 minutes from the border. However, it's quiet, safe. There is much less touristy distractions. Also, if you're concerned about, and you do not speak Spanish, all the staff here is very fluent in English, so things are very easy to understand. Great place, loved it, was made very comfortable and welcome. Thank you.